All right, y'all. Amber Ricquel, my first mystery box unboxing. Now, this comes from the Marathon Clothing. I ordered it June like 28th. I ain't gonna lie, it's just not in here. But it's cool because in my head, those are like my people's anyway. But $100, I got an email. I've been on the marketing list. I've been meaning to buy something, and it said $100, 10 t-shirts. So I'm excited. I'm a little nervous. I don't know what to expect, but for $100, I can't complain for 10 t-shirts. I just hope all the t-shirts are not a dud. I hope at least 3 of them is some fire, you feel me? These t-shirts run at least like $40, $50, something like that, depending on what shirt it is and on up. So for $10 each, I can't complain, but let's see. I'm nervous. In the marketing email, it had like a black box. I don't think it's another box in here. Hopefully they didn't look at my name and be like, oh, she's a girl, let's give her a whole bunch of girly stuff, because I'm a real nigga at heart, you feel me? Real one at heart. And the last thing, I hope there's a Crenshaw t-shirt in here, All Money In t-shirt in here, and something nip related. If I get those, I'm good. Do I need 10 t-shirts? I don't. I don't even have room no more for nothing. I don't have room for shoes. I don't have room for clothes. 10 t-shirts, more than likely going to share with my sisters. They could probably, I don't know, do what they want in it. So let's see. Ooh, okay, already I'm excited. I get my t-shirts in an extra large because I don't know how I'm gonna feel that day. Sometimes I don't want stuff too tight. So the first one, oh, come in these little bags. Okay then, the little Shein bags. So the first one says it's the Marathon Clothing t-shirt. Okay, I could deal with that. The Marathon Clothing, little dark gray. I feel that. If y'all didn't know, I'm from LA. I'm from Inglewood to be exact. Let's see. Because I know, like, when they did the mystery boxes, I was like, they getting rid of inventory. I know they are. But let's see. This one is another gray t-shirt. Okay, little victory lap. I could deal with that. 2 gray ones so far. Oh, bitch. I see one. Ooh. I see one that I'm already, yeah. Okay, so this one says, has a line on it. Marathon Brand, Los Angeles. Okay. Let me see. Ooh, this one. Ooh. Okay. I've been wanting this one anyway, so it's all good. Just the Marathon with the strip on it. It's a lot of mother loving t-shirts. Oh, I didn't show y'all what the bags. For the most part, they've been coming in this bag. Let's see. I don't know why I was so nervous. Maybe because I don't know what's in here. Okay, this is just a standard, the Marathon t-shirt. Okay. I don't have to unfold all of these. Yeah, I'm definitely going to share some of these with my sisters. I'm the big sister. When I say the big sister, I don't mean the oldest. Okay. So they're probably either sleeping or shoot, I don't know. Okay, this one says, what color is this? I can't tell with this little pink light behind me. Is this tan? So this one says the Marathon Clothing. All right. Let's see. I see something here with some cursive on it. That's what I wanted, you feel me? Okay, so this one says, I think it just says, oh, okay, Marathon with the LA coordinates on it. I think this is a white shirt. Y'all gonna be like, oh, there she go in her Marathon clothing. Hey, y'all. Okay. Ooh, I see a Crenshaw t-shirt in here. So, this one says, let me unfold it. It says, if the tag ain't Marathon, that Crenshaw crew neck is a knockoff. Yeah. And I got my Crenshaw shirt. Yes, ma'am. I wear a lot of black graffitis. Got me a Crenshaw shirt. Winning. Not me throwing it like that. Okay. Last shirt. It says is the Marathon Clothing. They were like, God dang, how many of those do you have? Established 2009. So overall review of the Marathon mystery box. Did I expect it to be straight fire every shirt? No, I didn't. I didn't expect that because giving away shirts that usually run like $40, $50, 60 sometimes 70, sometimes 100, and they $10, no. As a marketer, as a business person, I knew. I said, they're getting rid of inventory. They need to make some room for the shirts that was not selling, so they're doing mystery boxes. So I got me a Marathon shirt. I got me a Crenshaw shirt. I didn't get an All Money In shirt. It's cool. I'll be back on the site because I want me a beanie and a hat and stuff like that. My overall rating, 1 out of 10, what do I rate the mystery box? It was only $100. So I'm going to rate it a 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10 for the mystery box. I feel like, you know what I'm saying? If I would have had like maybe a couple more colors in it or something like that, it would have been straight. But I got a lot of white, gray, black. If I would have got like a red joint, maybe a royal blue or something like that, yeah. Maybe if I would have ordered a different size, I don't know. Maybe it would have been more availability. But I like my shirts with a little stretch, you feel me? I need a little armpit room. So, yeah, that's the mystery box. Favorite shirt, probably the Crenshaw shirt because I've been wanting one. Second one was the Marathon shirt. Yeah, my sisters ain't getting them too, for sure. Yeah, until next time.